Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create energy company logo using radiating custom shapes. Today we are creating a premium energy company logo using radiating custom shapes. Start by importing a bright gradient background, then add a circular base and reduce its opacity for a soft glow. Now open the custom shapes panel and pick radiating line shape. Arrange them around the circle to form an energy burst effect. Duplicate the shape layer to increase visual density. Change blend mode to overlay for a powerful light effect. Add a bold geometric icon inside the circle. Adjust symmetry and spacing for perfect balance. Then add